Hello YouTube friend, Ben here with another fun video. Thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would like to invite you to look around on the channel and see what the channel has to offer. And if you are a regular visitor in this channel, I want to say thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. So two things that I would like to address in this video is number one, the comments that I have received about my facial hair, and I will talk about that in a future video. Thank you very much for bringing that up. And the other thing is a little bit off topic, but if you are interested to know my scent of the day today, it was this fragrance by Alexandria Fragrance that was sent to me. It's called Cocoa Dream, and it's a gourmand scent, mostly smelling like chocolate. It's a really good scent. I'm excited to wear for the winter time, for the cold day here in Michigan. And today, because I was in a hurry to leave for work, I just grabbed the bottle and spray a couple times, and I have been smelling this chocolate scent all over me around in the office. So I kind of have been enjoying it actually, but right now the weather is not quite cold for this type of scent, but I enjoy it. So that's what I want to share with you. Thank you, Alexandria Fragrance, for sending me this. If you remember, Alexandria Fragrance is the company who donated the fragrance that we gave for our giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So they sent me this. Cocoa Dream is the name of the scent. You can find it on their website. It's quite affordable, and it's really good scent. I will highly recommend you to try it if you like sweet and gourmand scents. And I said today was a fun video because what I want to do today is to open this box that I received from my friend Stephanie from the channel Bain. You may remember just a few weeks ago, shooting my very first outside video, I had a box with some of the soap that she make, and then I mentioned to her that my kids were really excited about using her products for showers and stuff. So she decided to send me another box. And especially because she had left out one of her masterpieces, which it turns out is one of her husband's favorite soap, and he strongly suggested me to try it too. So I mentioned to her that I was very interested in try it. So she decided to send me another box, and that's what I am opening today with your help. So if you want to see what it is here. So I received this package just a few days ago actually, and my kids, because they already know that Stephanie was sending this package, they've been asking me pretty much every day if the package is already open or they will open it themselves. So I got here the box open. You can see the presentation, and first of all, it's this nicely packaged set of samples. They look like a baby soap. They are like baby samples of different soap. All this soap is made by Stephanie, and she often put videos out about the process of making her soap, and how she scented and how she decorated them and how she cut them. Really nice package of samples. It is a bag with the Bain Suppery stamp. It's a paper bag. It's really nice, handmade. It says handmade with love. Thank you, Stephanie. Let's continue with the package. So for you to see, there's more stuff in it in the box. Looks like everything comes in a paper. Got some shredded paper, and underneath the shredded paper we had different soap. They're coming out in a bag together. Let's see what this one is. This one is Peach Perfection. That's the soap. And this one is Water Lily and Fresh Mint soap. This was in a set of 2 bars together. Another 2 soap here. Handmade soap. This one is Apple Sage. And this one is Lavender. Very pretty looking soap. And this here is her husband's favorite. The Desire is, they have a Desire, and also here is tobacco and bay leaf together. I'm assuming these are the scented for like gentleman scent. I'm excited to try them. And the other 2 here look very pretty. Is Juicy Couture and Sea Minerals, the coconut milk soap. I'm sure the kids will be very excited to try that one. And that's it. Thank you very much, Stephanie, for sending the package. We'll really enjoy using this soap. I will really encourage you to go and visit Stephanie's. I would like to encourage you to go and visit Stephanie's channel and give it some support. If you're not connected with her by now, I would suggest you to go and support her channel. She's a great friend. She's a great supporter. She will support you back. And not just that, but she does a lot of live streamings that you can visit her live stream, and also network with other content creators during her live stream. She's like super sweet, really nice lady. Actually, some people get mad at her because she's so nice and just go in there and misbehave in her channel. Don't do that. Go in there and show her some love. She's a great friend to have on YouTube. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will also appreciate if you decide to add me in other social media platforms outside YouTube. I will include in the description of this video the link for Stephanie's channel, Bain, and I will also include all my social media links for different platforms for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and I would like to see you there. Also, please consider to share the content of this channel with other people that you may know who may be interested in this kind of conversation. Remember to give it a like to the video. That helps a lot. And also leave a comment in the comment section. And remember to tune in for more videos next week. Bye.